Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting away variables, power cycle modem and router, waiting at least 30 seconds so capacitors discharge. Then, connect one device with an Ethernet cable to test the local link. This tells you if Wi-Fi is the problem versus the broadband feed. If you see no link light, swap cables and ports. Once done, check your ISP status on your phone. An outage explains many failures. These actions narrow the fault quickly and let you move to targeted fixes. You now diagnose, run ping to your gateway and a public IP, then traceroute to see where packets fail. That tells you whether the issue is local or upstream. Next, inspect DHCP and DNS on the router. A bad DNS causes apparent outages, so try static DNS such as 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to confirm. Update firmware to fix known bugs, and adjust wireless channels or security settings to reduce interference. Doing this fixes many mid-level connectivity problems. You finish by validating. Run speed tests from several devices to confirm throughput and establish a baseline. If everything else fails, factory reset the router, but only after exporting your settings or noting SSID and passwords. Reapply secure WPA2/3 settings immediately. If the problem persists, collect logs, ping/TCP dump timestamps, and call your ISP with that evidence. Technicians resolve line issues faster with concrete data. One key tip: if symptoms return, swap the router temporarily to isolate hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.